In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with GoHighLevel calendars. Whether you're setting up a virtual meeting space for client consultations, team collaborations, or webinars, this integration will enhance your scheduling process by automatically adding a Zoom meeting link to your calendar invites. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to get everything set up properly. First, you'll need to log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you've done that, open your sub-account dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage various features and settings. Next, you want to head over to the calendar connections. You'll find this by navigating through the settings. You'll want to look under the calendar section, then select connections, and finally, click on video conferencing. Alternatively, you can also find this option by going to My Profile and then Video Conferencing. Both methods will get you to the same place, so choose the path that suits you best. Now that you're in the video conferencing section, it's time to add Zoom as your conferencing provider. Look for the option to add a new provider. Simply click on the plus sign that says Add New, then select Zoom from the list and hit Connect. When you do this, a Zoom authorization pop-up will appear. If pop-ups are blocked on your browser, you might need to enable them temporarily. This step is crucial as it allows GoHighLevel to communicate with your Zoom account. The next step is to sign in to Zoom. Enter your Zoom credentials and log in. You'll then be prompted to approve access permissions for GoHighLevel. It's important to read through these permissions to understand what access GoHighLevel will have to your Zoom account. But rest assured, these permissions are standard for this type of integration. Once you've approved the access, you'll notice that Zoom is now listed as a connected conferencing provider. This indicates that the integration is successful. With Zoom now connected, the final step is to enable it for your calendar events. Navigate to the calendar section of your GoHighLevel account. You can either open an existing calendar that you want to integrate with Zoom or create a brand new one. Within the calendar settings, look for the meeting location field. You should see the option to select Zoom here. Choose Zoom from the drop-down list, and remember to save your changes to the calendar. And there you have it. Your GoHighLevel calendar is now successfully integrated with Zoom. This will streamline the meeting scheduling process and ensure that every meeting scheduled via your GoHighLevel calendar automatically includes a Zoom link. It's a great way to enhance your productivity and provide a seamless experience for your clients or team members. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.